Hello and welcome back to the Shreve, Crump, and Low YouTube channel with your host Sam. Today we'll be covering a timepiece that bucks traditional presentation by literally turning its dial display inside out. Allow me to present the exemplary MB&F Legacy Machine 101. To fully appreciate the prestige of the Legacy Machine, one must know what the initials MB&F represent in the first place. The MB refers to the company's eponymous founder and watch industry legend, Mr. Maximilian Bucer, the maestro behind the design of famed jeweler Harry Winston's timepiece department. Boasting a plethora of knowledge gained from his time at Jaeger-LeCoultre, in addition to that of the most talented names in the industry, Max is no stranger to collaboration. The F in MB&F stands for Mr. Bucer's friends, a long and distinguished list which includes the likes of Francois-Paul Journe, Kari Voutilainen, H. Mosier, and Urwerk. Yes, you would be correct in thinking that Max Bucer has assembled an Orological Avengers-style squad. This all-star cast of the best in watchmaking has raised the bar for independent watchmakers over the last decade. Now let's get right into the unboxing of the LM101. You will first notice the unique packaging of an MB&F gives you a sense of how avant-garde this earth-shaking brand can be. The inner box that holds the LM101 is a sleek Sputnik-style capsule that slides open to reveal the uniquely special watch. First launched in 2014, the Legacy Machine 101 series showcases the essentials of a mechanical wristwatch and a mirthful reboot of the conventional dial layout. The appropriately sized 40mm case contains an elegant arrangement consisting of a demure white enamel hours and minutes dial floating at 2 o'clock featuring Roman numeral indices. Similarly situated at 6 o'clock sits a 48-hour power reserve. And in true MB&F fashion, an unconventional 3-dimensional flying balance wheel, which has become the signature of the Legacy Machine collection, beats boldly above all in the center of the sapphire crystal dome. This audaciously exposed escapement and balance wheel are the real stars of the show, the obsession of any watchmaker, and MB&F's powerhouse is on full exhibition, beating away at a vigorous 18,000 vibrations per hour. Flipping the LM101 reveals an exquisitely hand-finished movement. At the time, MB&F's first caliber conceived in-house. This was done in collaboration with award-winning independent watchmaker Kari Voutilainen, and engraved as such on the outstanding bridgework amongst a field of 23 jewels. MB&F works diligently to ensure that each of their timepieces is suitable for wear, without compromising their unique vision of next-level artistry. And as such, the LM101 is incredibly balanced in its proportions and can be worn on almost any size wrist. Collectors and acolytes alike can appreciate that independent brands like MB&F, H. Mosier, Greubel Forsey, and Laurent Ferrier are achieving accolades as they break the watchmaking mold with innovative shapes, stunning movements, and avant-garde dials. In the age of electric cars, cryptocurrencies, and smartwatches, the superlative creations of Max Bucer, Kari Voutilainen, or Ed Malin provide us a bright future for mechanical watchmaking. To browse our entire timepiece catalog, please visit our website, www.shrevecrumpandlow.com, with the link in the description. Once again, this is Sam signing off from the Shreve, Crump, and Low Watch Salon Studios. See you back here very soon.